a group of 10 medical workers graduated from a traditional Chinese medicine and acupuncture personnel training course in Harare on Monday, becoming Zimbabwe's first medical workers to complete such training. The training program, which lasted more than 4 months, was held at the TCM at Acupuncture Center at the Yatwa Hospital in Harare. It comprised theory and practice and included basic operation of acupuncture and moxibustion, as well as diagnosis and treatment of diseases.
After completing the training, I hope that all of you will take the initiative to practice acupuncture with. Improve your acupuncture level, explore the role of acupuncture and of function treatment, and can consciously apply the content learned in these training classes in practical work.
Zimbabwe has drawn several lessons from the Chinese experience in our endeavor to integrate traditional medicine into the mainstream healthcare delivery system.
Our people have been benefiting a lot from acupuncture since the opening of the center, and with us also being released into the field to practice, our health sector in Zimbabwe as a whole will greatly benefit.